Subtopic 3.3 Electrolytic Cell. Learning outcomes. Draw an electrolytic cell and describe the operation of an electrolytic cell. First, what is electrolysis? It is a chemical process that uses electricity for a non-spontaneous redox reaction to occur. Next, how does electrolytic cell operate? An electrolytic cell is a type of electrochemical cell. Let's examine the components of electrolytic cell. It is made up of two electrodes immersed in an electrolyte. A direct current is passed through the electrolyte from an external source. Molten salt and aqueous ionic solution are commonly used as electrolytes. Essentially, an electrolytic cell has three component parts: anode, cathode, and electrolyte. Unlike voltaic cell, anode in an electrolytic cell is a positive electrode which is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Anode in electrolytic cell is where the oxidation reaction takes place. This, on the other hand, is the same as in voltaic cell. Remember the N-ox red cat? Cathode is the negative electrode, which is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. It is where the reduction reaction takes place. Both anode and cathode are electrodes that act as circuit connectors. Apart from that, electron acts as sites for the precipitation of insoluble products. The common examples of inert electrode used in electrolytic cell are platinum and graphite. Next is electrolyte. It is a liquid that conducts electricity due to the presence of positive and negative ions, or also known as cation and anion. The electrolyte must be in molten state or in aqueous state solution. It is because both states allow the ions to move freely. Apart from the aqueous dilute sulfuric acid solution as shown in the diagram, other examples of electrolytes include molten potassium chloride, aqueous hydrochloric acid solution, and aqueous ethanoic acid solution. Now let's learn how to draw the diagram of electrolytic cell, shall we? What I can say about the diagram of electrolytic cell is that it is much simpler than the diagram of the voltaic cell, like this one. Firstly, we start by drawing the cell. The long line represents the positive terminal, the short line represents the negative terminal. Then the wire, the electrodes. Don't forget to label both electrodes as anode and cathode. Anode is a positive terminal because it is connected to the positive terminal from the battery, while cathode is a negative terminal because it is connected to the negative terminal from the battery. If you happen to know the type of electrode used in the cell, you might want to label them too. Next, the container. Both anode and cathode are immersed in the same container with the same electrolyte. Label the aqueous phase and also the concentration if it is given in the question. Till the next video, bye!